How's it going, everybody? I'm Josh, KI6NAZ. I'm here with Tony from N3ZN Keys. Tony, you have a great booth set up here at Huntsville. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your keys and what you do?
Yeah, I've been coming here at least 5 years. It might have been 5 or 6. And I always bring a display with all these demos on the main table. Let me explain what these see. These all different paddles, different sizes, different hot dots. The hot dot is actually from outside. You measure outside of it. This is 5/16. That one's 3/8. You got 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, and then 3/4 the widest.
So maybe explain why the width is important.
Whatever you're comfortable with. If you like this. Here's the most popular 5/8.
Okay.
And the reason for that being that the Bencher BY1 was 5/8.
Oh, okay. And is in the
and they sold 140,000 of them.
So they knew what they were doing, I guess, right?
Well, everybody has one.
Right.
So,
is the mechanism then that rides on top kind of the same? What is it that makes yours special?
All these paddles you use in their ball bearing drive. Magnetic return.
Yeah.
All stainless steel. The threads are 56 threads per inch.
Wow.
And this one weighs, and they're heavy too.
They are
on this size. This
They
is
are heavy.
3 pounds. This is 3 1/4 pounds. This is a 2-pounder.
It's kind of hard, I think, to explain. I mean, this is why you set up the demo,
right?
Because the magnetic returns are really nice. The ball bearing drive.
Yeah, the returns they're magnetic. But they repel.
Yeah.
They push the lever arms back to center post.
Yeah.
And so it feels like a spring.
Exactly.
The other paddles, they attract.
Yeah.
They're sticky.
Yeah.
They feel like they're sticky.
These feel amazing.
But bearings make them more smooth. Now the newest, I got a stray key. Okay, we got a stray key. Now I've made this one special for the show. It's a red, white, and blue one.
That is nice.
Well, normally they're all black. Like on my picture over there. This here's a round one. And this comes in 5/8 or 3/8 hot dot.
Yeah.
It weighs about 2 3/4, I would say. They have covers. As Gifts for Hams sells covers. Key covers.
Cool. Yeah.
If you
Beautiful.
know about Gifts for Hams. This here is a totally different thing. This is 45-degree vertical.
Yeah, so that's also just a comfort. You know, if people are used to it, if that's their thing.
And actually what it is the ZN light we had over there, mounted on a 45-degree vertical base. And if you see in the bottom, there's a screw there.
Yeah.
You can adjust this up and down. Some guys want those finger pieces almost touching the tabletop.
Right.
You can do that. So it gives you, for comfort.
I like it, yeah.
So you go on this one, you go 9/16 hot dot or 5/16. Which is very like
beautiful.
The way over there.
Very nice. You got some single levers too, right?
Yes.
Yeah, over here.
Those. Yeah, this one. This is top seller. This one here. This weighs 3 1/4 pound. You've got a 3/8 inch hot dot. It actually is a single lever, but actually there's 3 lever arms on this. There's 2 outer. The outer one's a distant dolls. The center one actuates the 2 outer ones. So that paddle there has 9 ball bearings in it.
9 ball bearings in this guy.
Yeah.
Wow. That's beautiful. That's really cool.
So I mean, the guys that are using single lever, they stay single lever.
That's it.
You can't change it.
No.
I built this one over here with the 5/16, thinking they would take a dual lever.
Yeah.
They don't change.
They don't change.
This here's a new one.
Yeah, so this is like the time. Which one? This is kind of like your portable or your mini?
Yeah, that for single lever, yes.
Okay.
So this is, I took the Mini Mite, which is here, and I made a single lever out of it.
Oh, okay. So the Mini Mite.
I changed the mechanism on it.
The Mini Mite is your dual lever.
Right.
Portable unit.
And that comes off that comes with a plastic base, but it comes off. Same thing. You could screw it on, you could put in your car, you can make your own mount for it.
Perfect, yeah.
And then here's the new single lever version of that 3/8 inch hot dot.
That's beautiful too. I mean, these are all wonderfully, these are all beautiful keys. They're hard to explain in person. Oh yeah, that's a nice finish too. Yeah, great stuff. Yeah, you do some awesome work. Obviously, for people not here, how do they find you if they're interested in?
Right on the website. Everything's
And where is your website?
right there at n3zkeys.com.
Perfect.
And then you can email me. There's all the info's on the website. The 9RZ has 16 different colors.
Oh, cool. Okay.
So like there's the blue one, silver one.
Beautiful.
So there's a lot of options.
Yeah. Wonderful. Thank you so much
Okay.
for you
All
taking
right.
your time
Okay.
and sharing.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
You need this back.
Yeah. Thank